All right, ladies and gentlemen, listen, I was putting together an email sequence with system.io and I had an amazing light bulb moment. I said, why don't I record myself doing this so that my audience can get the value from it? So that is what we are going to learn on this video, how to put together an email sequence. Okay, so here we are over on system.io. I'm going to go to the emails tab where I've been working on my campaign. And let's go over and find the campaign that I was working on. And it's this one, short messenger Webby sequence. I've already uploaded 5 emails already. So what I'm going to do is I am going to begin to edit this. And as you can see, what I'm doing is I am setting it for, this is day 0, or actually day number 1. And this email goes out 5 hours later. Then this email goes out 1 day after this one. And then this email goes out 5 hours after this one. And then this email goes out 1 day after this one. So as you can see, we are in the thick of it. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to create an email right now. Let's jump right into it. All right, so what I need now is I need a subject line. As you can see, let me make sure that you know what I just did. I clicked on add an email, and now this screen pops up, and it's going to give me 2 options. I can do the visual editor, or I can use the classic editor. So let's go ahead and go to my email template and grab the headline for the email that I am about to send. So it's going to say, the headline is going to say clients for name or clients for Susie. That's what the headline is going to say. I'm gonna come back over, place that headline in there, then I'm gonna hit create. And as you can see, it's going to take me to the email editor. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this logo. Maybe I should, I'm going to change this logo. I'll show you exactly what I did. Let me slow down so you can follow me. This is the logo that I'm going to use. As you can see, that's entirely too big. So I had to resize my logo. Now what I'm about to do is place my copy in this box. I'm going to place my email copy in that box. And here it is. Let me copy that. Just come over real easy and paste it in. The emails that I'm using are super short. So what I'm going to do now, give myself a little space, come here and say hello, and come right here to choose a replacement and put first name in there. What that's going to do is it's going to personalize this email for each and every person. So if I said, if Susie opens this email, it's going to say hello Susie. If Matt opens this email, it's going to say hello Matt. It just depends on who the email is sent to. That's what first name is going to translate into. So if you want to add, if you want at least 3 to 5 new clients, watch this video. So what I'm going, watch this webinar or masterclass. What I'm going to do is send these people a free masterclass. But what I need to do now is kind of get rid of the extra stuff. So I'll be right back once I get rid of all the extra stuff that I don't want, and we'll continue on. All right, so as you can see, now I am at the button. This is the button that I want to add to my email. What I'm going to do is click on that. I'm going to go over and grab the link that I'm going to use and put in that button. I'm going to go back to my editor and place that link right here where it says URL. Next, I'm going to change the wording of that link and go with click here. Another thing that I'm about to do, and this is a tip that I learned from e-commerce, your signups will go up if you use a little emoji right here. So I'm going to use a little arrow emoji. Next, what I'm going to do is change the color by coming over here to this circle and clicking on green. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is remove this section. And now I want to put my picture. I want to put my picture here as a form of branding. I want people to know exactly who I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide over a container. As you can see, these containers here. And now I'm going to drag and drop an image into these containers in my email. I'm going to click on this little cog and go and grab my picture. As you can see, I'm coming over here. I'm going to come to my list of assets, and I'm going to click and find my picture and then click insert. As you can see, there is my picture. All right. Now we have a complete email. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to exit the editor, come over, take a look at my email, see if I like it. Maybe I should have put some space in between this line. As a matter of fact, let's do that. I can go back, do a little editing. Let's put one more space. And now let's save it. And voila. All right. Now, as you can see, this is my email. Okay. Now, remember, clients, remember, I need to change this part. And what I have to change it to is first name right here for it to put first name in there. So I'm going to copy that and go over and paste it right in there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's it. All right, so now all I have to do now is save it and publish it. And it's going to ask me, you know, when do I want this email sent out? So I'm going to say, let's see, I think this is a 5 hour. I need this one to go out 5 hours after the last one. So 5 hours after, how to get it in. Let me make sure when I actually want this one to go out. This is day 3, email number 2. And so this one has to go out after how many clients do you want? So 5 hours after the how many clients do you want email goes out, I want the first name to go out. So it's going to go out 5 hours after how many clients do you want? And all I have to do now is hit publish. Let's publish that. And as you can see, here we go right here. Clients for first name. And it's going out 5 hours after how many clients do you want? As you can see, this is just how easy it is. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this email sequence. Listen, and since we're talking about the webinar, look in the description of this video and sign up for the webinar, because it's definitely going to teach you how to enroll 3 to 5 new clients in 30 days. So with that being said, this is Antonio. If you want to get your hands on this system, you can get your hands on it for free. Try it out, see if you like it. This is, system.io. It's one of the most amazing systems for the price that I have ever seen. The link will be in the description. Come on over. I have some wonderful bonuses for you and some wonderful mentorship if you need it. This is Antonio. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.